Hi kids! Welcome to Alphabet Adventures. Today we're going to meet the alphabet. Each letter will tell us their name, why they're awesome, and teach us something fun. Ready? Let's go!
Hey everyone, I'm A. A is for amazing, awesome, and apple. Apples are delicious fruits that keep you healthy. Can you say A with me? A, apple.
Awesome, A. Who's next?
Hello, kiddos. I'm B. B is for bold, bright, and banana. Bananas give you lots of energy. Let's say B together. BB banana.
B, you're brilliant. Now let's see who's here for C.
Hi kids, I'm C. C is for cool, clever, and cat. Cats are furry friends that love to play. Can you say C with me? C, cat.
Cool, C. Let's meet D.
Hey there! I'm D. D is for daring, delightful, and dog. Dogs are loyal buddies who love to have fun. Let's say D together. D dog.
D, you're dynamite. Next up is E.
Hello, I'm E. E is for energetic, excellent, and elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals and very gentle. Can you say E with me? E, elephant.
Excellent, E. Now let's see F.
Hey kids, I'm F. F is for fantastic fun and fish. Fish live in water and swim fast. Let's say F together. F, fish.
Fantastic, F. Who's up next?
Hi everyone, I'm G. G is for great, gigantic, and giraffe. Giraffes have long necks and love eating leaves. Can you say G with me? G, giraffe.
Great job, G. Let's move to H.
Hey there, I'm H. H is for happy, helpful, and horse. Horses are strong animals that help us in many ways. Let's say H together. H, horse.
H, you're heroic. Now let's meet I.
Hello, I'm I. I is for incredible, interesting, and ice cream. Ice cream is a sweet treat we all love. Can you say I with me? I, ice cream.
Incredible, I. Let's see J. Hi, kids. I'm JJ is for jolly, jumping, and jelly. Jelly is wobbly and fun to eat. Let's say J together. JJ jelly. J, you're joyful. Who's next?
Hello. K is for kind, keen, and kite. Flying kites is so much fun. Can you say K with me? KK kite.
K, you're kind-hearted. Next up is L.
Hey there. I'm L. L is for lovely, laughing, and lion. Lions are strong and brave. Let's say L together. LL lion.
Lovely, L. Let's meet M.
Hi everyone, I'm M. M is for marvelous, magical, and mango. Mangoes are sweet and juicy. Can you say M with me? Mango.
Marvelous, M. Now let's see N.
Hello, I'm N. N is for nice, neat, and nest. Birds build nests to keep their eggs safe. Let's say N together. N, nest.
Nice, N. Who's next?
Hey kids, I'm O. O is for outstanding, open, and octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms and live in the ocean. Can you say O with me? O, octopus.
Outstanding, O. Let's move to P.
Hello, I'm P. P is for playful, pretty, and parrot. Parrots are colorful birds that can mimic sounds. Let's say P together. P, parrot.
Playful, P. Who's next?
Hi everyone, I'm Q. Q is for quick, quiet, and queen. Queens wear crowns and rule kingdoms. Can you say Q with me? Q, queen.
Quick, Q. Now let's see R.
Hey there, I'm R. R is for ready, racy, and rabbit. Rabbits are fast and love to hop. Let's say R together. R, rabbit.
Ready, R. Let's meet S.
Hello, I'm S. S is for silly, smart, and snake. Snakes slither and have no legs. Can you say S with me? S, snake.
Silly S. Who's next? Hi, kids. I'm T. T is for terrific, tall, and tiger. Tigers are strong and striped. Let's say T together. T, tiger. Terrific, T. Let's move to U.
Hello, I'm U. U is for unique, useful, and umbrella. Umbrellas keep us dry in the rain. Can you say U with me? U, umbrella.
Unique, U. Who's next?
Hey kids, I'm V. V is for vibrant, vivacious, and violin. Violins make beautiful music. Let's say V together. V, violin.
Vibrant V. Now let's see W.
Hello, I'm W. W is for wonderful, wiggly, and whale. Whales are the largest animals in the ocean. Can you say W with me? Whoa, whoa, whale.
Wonderful W. Who's next?
Hi everyone, I'm X. X is for extraordinary, exciting, and xylophone. Xylophones make fun sounds. Let's say X together. XX0 xylophone.
Extraordinary X. Let's move to Y.
Hey there, I'm Y. Y is for yummy, yellow, and yo-yo. Yo-yos are fun to play with. Can you say Y with me? Y yo-yo.
Yummy Y. Finally, let's meet Z.
Hello, I'm Z. Z is for zippy, zany, and zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Let's say Z together. ZZ zebra.
Zippy Z. Thank you to all our alphabet friends for teaching us today. Remember kids, learning the alphabet is fun and helps us read and write. See you next time on Alphabet Adventures. Bye!